Hi, welcome back to today's More Report Charts Process on Friday the 7th of August with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Handset Markets. My final chart on non-farm payrolls day is gold, and the gold chart continues to consolidate. In fact, it's actually had a bit of an uptick in the early session European trading. Doesn't really change a great deal. That uptick's arisen through a slight improvement in the euro, which has dragged the dollar index lower. Dollar index being a negative correlation to the commodity prices, hence why commodity prices have rallied slightly today. So this slight uptick in gold, what has it actually done? Well, nothing really. Slightly unwinding the oversold momentum still. Nothing too significant. We're still trading in this range. Nothing too significant to talk about really, apart from the fact that we have broken down. This is the hourly chart. We've now broken that sequence of sort of lower highs, and it started to sort of, instead of falling away, it started to move sideways more. That initial spike high that we saw to 97.80, I think it was. Yep, 97.80. Has sort of now unwound, or is now unwinding, so it's $5 back from where it was, so it's unwound some of that move. But to be honest, it's just a sideways trading range, this market. You're still trading underneath that 105.60, which is your key near-term resistance. You're still looking in this configuration of the hourly chart, where the RSI is sort of still oscillating range-bound between 30 and 70. That just suggests that it's going to be a sideways market. You could have a bit of direction off this payrolls report. It's sort of, I think this little rally that we've got today ultimately is likely to prove a chance to sell. I still see further downside pressure on the lows. The recent low that we saw a couple of days this week was 82.50, sort of supporting that 108, 1180 sort of level. So I say 1180, 1080. Sorry, my fault. 1080 level, which is above the 1077. So I mean, there is an element of support that is building on this chart, but certainly I think it's more of a sideways band rather than any sort of basing pattern that's ongoing. I don't really see a recovery in this gold chart quite yet. I think there's further downside potential, and a strong payrolls report, which would drive a stronger dollar, is likely to drive gold price lower today. So if that is the case, then we could see some pressure back on the lows again and further downside. So I wish you good luck in your trading on gold today, and I will speak to you on Monday. Thank you.